Hi friends, in today's section I am going to show the hidden feature of formatting tool in Excel. For example, in our data, laptop is having different font style and type, a desktop, mobile and smartwatch with different formats. Suppose if we want to copy this format and paste in different on the same text, then what will we do? Just we click on home button and click on formatting bar and then click laptop. It works only one time. Suppose if I want to copy that format to same text in other data, what will we do? Again, we do copy and paste. Instead of that, we are going to use one hidden feature, which is here you need to double click the formatting pointer. That's it. Wherever you want to copy paste that format, just click that cell. Laptop, okay, laptop, excellent. If you want to remove that, just click once. Click desktop, double click the format painter, desktop, desktop, desktop. Excellent. And then click once to remove the format. In the same way, mobile, double click and remove. In the same way, smartwatch, double click the painter and click. Excellent. Hope you understood this. If you have any doubts or queries, you can use comment box. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.